Hello again, my friends, and welcome to exercise number 3 in the complete Java developer course. We are asked to write a Java program that computes the sum of the digits of an entered number. So, for example, the user entered 27. The program will calculate the sum of its digits. So, how to solve this problem? In order to solve every exercise or every problem, we divide it into many sections and understand what exactly the exercise needs. The exercise needs to enter a number by the user and calculate its sum of digits. So we have two parts of the exercise. Okay, so the first part is entering the number by the user. So in order to allow the user to enter a number, as I told you in the previous video, we start by scanner scan equal to new scanner. Till now, understand it like this, and we will learn about it later on when we take the object-oriented programming. So, enter by the user. I need to put the user as a display or a message. Please enter a number to sum its digits. Okay, this is the message telling the user to enter. And in order to get the data input and make the flash and get the flash from it, we start by using scanner, or I will store it inside integer directly. Integer number equal to scanner dot next int. I need to get the next integer from the scanner. So I get the integer that entered by the user and stored it inside a variable called number. Okay, this is the first part of the question. And the second part is summing up its digits. Okay, so how to think about it? Sum of digits encounter that if I take for example 27, let me divide it and analyze this problem mathematically. So if I need to put 2 and 7, how to extract it? It is 2 in the 10th and 7 in the primitive data and the data of the ones. Okay, so 2 in the 10th and 7 in the ones. Okay, so how to write like this, or how to separate the digits? 27 is equal to 20 plus 7. Okay, and 7 we can't divide it because if we divide it over 10 it will become 0.7. But if we divide the 10 or the 20 by 10, we get the digit equal of 10. And now we can simplify it by doing the 10, which we have divided 20 over 10, and the 7 that we have didn't execute anything on it. Okay, so we have get the digits. Again, I will show you how to get the digit. Again, 607 and 78. It is equal to 600 plus 70 plus 8. How to get the digits? If we execute over 8, nothing, we will get 8. Okay, it's very simple. If we execute on the 10th and the 100th, we divide by the 10th by 10, so 70 over 10, we divide it, we get the digit 7. Okay, and if we divide the 600 by 100, so 600 divided by 100, we get the digit of 6, the digit 6. So we get the result. Okay, in the same way, how to transform this into mathematical equation, we will learn in the next couple of minutes. Okay, next couple of minutes. So here, how to transform this mathematical into programming. We start by making an integer sum equal to 0. Okay, we need the sum of the digit. Okay, this is the sum of the digits. I created a variable on it. We will use a while loop. You remember our friend while loop? Yes. So, while number does not equal to 0. Okay, go and execute this loop body while the number does not equal to 0. When number equal to 0, go outside this loop. Okay, so the sum plus equal, or I can make it like this, sum for the purpose of demonstration now, number divide modulus 10, and then number divide it equal to number over 10. What I'm doing now, right now, and return. We don't need to return. We need to make system.out .print and the sum. Okay, what I have created here, I have created a variable equal to sum. It's equal to 0, initialized by 0, and I have created a while loop. Since we have, why we have make it as a loop? Because if we take 678, we have to make 3 operations. The first one divided by 100, the second one divided by 10, the third one is divided by 1. So what we have created? We have started by dividing by 100. So, and then we divide this number by 10, and then we divide this number by 1. How to write it? We write it by the summation equal to sum plus sum, so it is equal to the 0, the first iteration, and the number modulus 10. So if let me take 678 and execute this this method. Okay, pay attention with me. I will write on underneath every one the iteration. Okay, I will take the number 678. The summation now is equal to, in the first iteration, is equal to sum equal to summation. Go and get summation and sum. It is equal to 0, so put it here 0. Okay? Plus, what is the number? The number is 678. Modulus 10. You remember the modulus? It is equal to 678 divided by 10, and the remainder is 78. Okay? Okay, guys? Now, the number is equal to number over 10. Okay? The number now, number equal to, what is the number? It is equal to 78 divided by 10, and it is an integer, so it is 7. Okay? Again, in the next iteration, the summation is equal to 78. Summation is equal to 78 plus the number 7 modulus by 10. And it is equal to 0 because 7 modulus 10, it's equal to 7. Okay? Now, the number is equal to the old number, which is 7 over 10, and it is integer, so it is 0. Okay? Again, it goes, the sum is equal to the 0, or modulus 10, it is equal to 0. Now, let's run and see, okay? Remove this, and 6, 7, 8. 6 and 7, or 7 and 8 is equal to 15. Plus 6, 21. And it is 21, okay? You see, guys, it's very simple. I hope you understand these concepts and you memorize everything. I will make a small recap for this while loop. The summation is 0. We will start by 0. I will take 27. Okay, and the first loop is summation is equal to sum which is equal to 0. So sum equal to 0 plus the number is equal to 27 modulus 10. I will calculate it to show you. 27, we don't have modulus here. 10, or we can have 27. Oops. 27 mod 10 is equal to 7. I don't think so. Yes, it's equal to 7. So it's correct. So let me show you how to calculate it. 27 divided by 10 is equal to 0.7. So we remove the 2 and we take 0.7. 0.7 times the divider, which is 10, is equal to 7. So number modulus 10 is equal to 7. Okay? Now the sum, the new number is equal to the old number divided by 10. And the old number is 27. Divided by 10 is equal to 2. Now, it goes up. While number does not equal to 0, yes, number is not equal to 0. The summation is equal to the previous one, which is 7, plus the new number. The new number, 2 modulus 10. 2 modulus 10 is equal to 2 because it is less than. Then the remainder from 2 divided by 10 is equal to 2 because it cannot be making this operation. How to understand it? Okay, I will show you. 2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.2. So 0, we take the 0 as a quotient, but the remainder is 0.2. So 0.2 times 2, this is equal to 2. So the remainder of the modulus, 2 modulus 10, is equal to 2. Okay? Now the modulus is equal to 9, or the summation is equal to 9. Now it goes down. The number is equal, the new number is equal to the old number, which is 2. 2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.2. But it is, since it is an integer, it takes only the integer part. And number equal to 0, it goes up, it is stopped by the while loop condition and gives us the result of 9. Let me run and see. Enter the integer, it is 27, not 9. We enter and we have 9. Okay, so I hope you benefit from this video and this exercise, and you write down all the notes. I hope you see the documentations and the source codes that we have provided with as resources file, and some presentation documents with our course.